Hey guys, I'm Swifty here, coming in with another quick unboxing for you guys. This time Orphan, second unboxing of the day for you guys. First part unboxed, get on its store, so check that out if you guys are interested. Now we've got Orphan, which I saw on TV a little while ago, and it was really good. The only trouble was my mate ruined the fucking twist for me. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. But anyways, so that's fun. It's the back. Kind of pushes the limits at 15 as well, guys. This is like the top end of 15 films, I'd say. I was surprised about how violent this film was. 1 second. As are these fucking stupid tags on their thing. Oh, fuck's sake, come on. Alright, so, open up. Shit. Alright, there's disc. Okay guys, quick unboxing of Orphan, that's pretty much it. I'm Swifty, signing out.